Cue the music and welcome to today's deep dive into a cornerstone of financial success, mastering budgeting. I'm here to guide you through this journey, so buckle up and let's get started. First things first, budgeting is not about restrictions. It's about empowerment. Understanding where your money goes gives you control and helps you build the life you want. It's your roadmap to financial freedom. The journey to mastering budgeting starts with listing your income sources and all expenses. Break them down into categories. Necessities like rent and groceries, savings, and a little fun money. Once you have this information, choose a budgeting tool or app that suits your style. This will make the process easier and more manageable. Now let's prioritize your spending. Necessities should always come first, followed by savings and then discretionary spending. Remember, budgeting is about making intentional choices that align with your goals. Another crucial step in mastering budgeting is building an emergency fund. This fund acts as your financial safety net for unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. It provides peace of mind and keeps your budget on track. Next up, tracking and adjusting. Regularly review your spending to stay on top of your budget. Remember, your budget is a living document. It's not rigid but flexible and adjusts as your life changes. And lastly, celebrate your small victories. Budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Recognize and reward yourself for sticking to your plan. It's these small wins that lead to big financial success. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to mastering budgeting. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Don't forget to share your own budgeting tips in the comments below. Until next time, keep working towards financial freedom and stay financially savvy.